Welcome back to another episode of Lucid Intentions, my weekly video blog. I'm Kris, writer, director, producer, and right now we're currently trying to bring the project Just Drive to life, and these are my weekly confessions about what's happening and what we're going through, and my thoughts on current events that are happening each week. This week, something interesting that actually just happened today, so we're talking fresh current events. SETI, NASA, and the Kepler program announced 715 new planets that they discovered, and they also discovered a breakthrough in the process that's going to allow them to discover planets at a much faster rate and hopefully eventually find a Earth twin, which they have several strong candidates for now. And to give you an idea of how much 715 planets being discovered is an increase, that is almost double the amount of planets that have been discovered from 1995, I believe it was, from the mid-90s all the way through now. So, I don't know about anybody else, but space fascinates the shit out of me. I truly believe if and when my time comes in this lifetime, that it's going to be off this planet when it does come. Whether it's I don't know. I don't know how. If the opportunity comes at the later stages of my life and there's no foreseeable or assured form of uploading consciousness into a computer or changing bodies or whatever can be done to sustain immortality, if that has yet to be discovered and invented, then any option to get off planet in my final years to see what's out there, it would be welcomed. One of the updates we did have this week with Just Drive was a casting update or advancement. Andrea had been working really hard, and she'll tell you more about this in her video blog, Andrea's Angst, but she's been working really hard to get in touch with a very specific actress that we are excited to have in the film. We really think the role is perfect for her, and it's something that she herself has been looking for quite some time in her career. And Andrea spent weeks tracking her down, trying to figure out every way to get in touch with her. And as you can see by her last blog last week, she was just on the verge of getting depressed and down on herself for not having any success yet. And we got a random phone call, like literally maybe an hour after I posted her Andrea's Angst blog, and it was the manager, personal assistant for the actress we've been trying to get in touch with. And they were excited about the project, what they had heard so far, and really were interested in the role and wanted us to send over a package with the script that they could take a look at and get back to us on. So Andrea did her job. She got directly in touch with the actress we wanted, got her excited about it, and got her the script. Now it all comes down to whether or not I did my job well enough with writing a good script and creating a role that a real actress will actually sink her teeth into and passionately want to do, rather than just, yeah, if they've got the money, I'll do it. So we're hoping that I did my job right. And actually everything that we're doing right now is built around that premise. So we'll find out. On the business side of things, we've got a big meeting coming up Friday. The crowdfund management team will be in town, and we're going to sit down with them and go over the specific details of the campaign we want to run, what we're going to do, how big we can pull off, to what scale. And we're also going to be discussing a launch event, such as we're trying to put together a celebrity/charity poker tournament to kick off our crowdfund campaign. We'd like it to be at the Bicycle Club. But right now we're looking at all the casinos in the Los Angeles area to figure out which one would be the most willing to work with us on pulling off an event like this. A few of the other things we're going to be discussing is what kind of crowdfund video we're going to do, what the goal is going to be, how long the campaign should run for, and when exactly our launch date should be. I'm guessing we're going to have to target sometime in April if we're going to finish it in time to be able to shoot in June. And we really want to shoot in June because that's the key time period to finish in time for the Sundance deadline in September. Then after we have the meeting, we're going to be going across the street to the YouTube studios happy hour, and we're once again going to be networking and mingling around and seeing if we could meet some fellow channel creators and discuss our ideas and what we want to do. Now that we know kind of what we're in store for with the YouTube happy hour, we can go a little more with the game plan. When Andrea and I went about a month and a half ago, it was more we weren't sure what we were getting into, what it was going to be, and it was more a curiosity thing than a goal oriented thing. But now we know what the event is. We know kind of the atmosphere. We know that it's a great place and a great opportunity to try and mingle and meet some fellow creators that hopefully we can collaborate with on bringing Just Drive to existence. See, I'm getting better with the points. Got on the first time this time. That's about it this week. My blog on Friday and this weekend will update you a little more on some of our meetings and some of the experiences that we've gone through and the lessons we've learned with how to point out shady red flags when you meet potential people that want to help you find financing. Other than that, please subscribe, follow along, and we're going to keep pushing forward. Lucid Intentions, over.